Hey everyone, this is Umair Asad and welcome to the mobile application development powered by CodeSekho. In this course, I have basically split this course into 4 modules. We'll go through it one by one. So the first module of the mobile application will be getting familiar with the Android environment such as Android Studio. We'll work with different languages such as Java and Kotlin, and in the last we'll have a look of Flutter module. In the second module of this mobile application, we'll work with the UI. We'll make beautiful UI such as WhatsApp, LinkedIn, Instagram. In the third module of this mobile application, work with the backend. We'll write code for the backend and integrate it with the front end, such as integrating complex APIs with the UI. The last and the fourth module of this course will be the interview tips and preparations. We'll go through multiple quizzes, we'll go through multiple tests, we'll make our own projects such as portfolio application. Also, we'll go through some tips and tricks for the topmost companies. Thank you very much.